What's up, guys? Welcome back to another live stream, and this is part 2 of the SSC4U live streams. Yeah, sorry guys, I just put my earpods mic in my mouth. So since my uh, bit rate is so good, I was trying to use like digital super resolution and whatnot in NVIDIA settings to be able to stream in 4K, but it wasn't working out, so 1080p 60 it is. Anyways, guys, let's get right into it. So, let's actually finish this, guys. 0.07, pretty good. Okay, that's 7, so it passes through there. So that's good. Passes through there. And it's perpendicular. Oh, perpendicular, so it has to be 1/2. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If I do -7, yeah, there we go. So plus. It has to be plus. Circle A has diameter 1 inch. Circle B has a radius that's 3 times the radius of circle A. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, we can just get rid of this pi here. 2.25. Yeah, there we go. A petition for a new park was circulated in town. A newspaper article stated that 4 times as many people signed the petition as didn't sign it. Okay, so we're gonna use S for sign and D for did not sign. So S is equal to 4D Oh, not more than 12,000. It's exactly 12,000. 12,000 plus D. looks good. Okay, given the equation A, okay, what is B over A? So A over 3B is equal to 3 over 7. A is over A. 777. And neither of these are equal to 0. Good. I'm going to go with that. How do I type a does not equal? Yeah, I don't know. Let's just pick that and move on here. So, in the figure shown, line M is perpendicular to line N and line K. Okay, so it doesn't say this figure is not to scale, so that's interesting. Anyway, so 50 plus x plus x1 plus 90 is equal to 180. So 40 degrees. In a linear function f of x, f of 1 equals 6 and f of 3 equals 10. Which equation defines f of x? How could I do this one? First one. Let's go do 6 here. What do you mean you don't understand? What? Guys, you just saw that. I just did it. What do you mean you don't understand? Yeah, it's the first one. Just gonna pick that one and move on. The period of an oscillating pendulum is given by that. What's the equation in terms of g? So we're solving for g. So it's like algebra. Guys, I don't see how I could use regression for this one. Yeah, I mean, it seems you would just use outer for this one. So we want to square both sides, and then we'd want to just ask Grok real quick how. Yeah, so I guess just trust my instincts on this one, because I would not get this settled as much. So, okay, so f of x is equal to a x1 minus b squared minus c. Then at 0, x1, or well, f of x is equal to 2, then at 2 it's equal to negative 2. Then at 2 it's equal to 2 again. Okay, so let's see here. They're all positive. If I put a negative here, then does anything happen? What if I put a negative here? Here. Interesting. So it's all minus c. It's all it's either plus or minus. So since it's below the axis, I guess it's like that. I'm gonna go with one of these. I'm just gonna go with this one. just check on the stream here. That's what we like to see. Alright. Let's get back to it. So for this one, I guess we just graph it. Alright, and then we go zoom in here. Let's see. X squared plus 5x plus 8. Is that the same? No, it's higher. Higher. So it's a 56. If we put 57, then we get a slight peak right there. So it's neither of these. And we got 3x plus 5x plus 15. Okay. And then produce 16. Okay. For it's more than 0. For this is more than 0. Has to be the same. Which it's not the same, so I don't know what's going on here. Are any of these the correct answer? I mean, pretty sure. Did I type it in all right? Okay, so I guess we eliminate these again. Let's try this again. Here. Okay, I did not mean to be doing that. Okay. So it's either 56 or 57. So 56, I don't see anything. 57. For more. Oh wait. Oh, it's plus 7. Oh, it's plus 7. Alright guys, so we actually forgot to put in a plus 7 there, right there. Now we got our answer here. Okay, so it's gonna be, so she does the first 3 cleanings for free. So the supplies are 25. Then the first 8 cleanings are free. So first 3 are free. It's gonna be C right here. First 3 are free. That reduces us by 3 cleanings. And it's not gonna be exponentiated here. And it's not this one either. For how many distinct real values of x does f of x equal that? How many times does this equal 0? 0 times. 0 times right here. Okay, that doesn't help. It's gonna help me. That doesn't help me either. I'm gonna go with 0. So the following data table displays the distribution of quiz scores in a classroom of 15 students. So let's just put in a table here. I can also type table, I believe. Table, yeah. Two 2.5. Also 2.5. So it's equal. Oh, and we need the mode. So the mode would be. I kind of recall how to do this, but it would be. It's like the greatest value in y1 minus. So it's the element list, and I mean, it's 3. The mode is 3. Wait, no, the mode is the value which occurs most frequently. Okay. So mode's 3. It's just A. B is not correct. So I think we can use some regression for this one here. So the actual building is 15 times the scaled version, and if the actual building has a pool with the dimensions of 50 feet, then what did I do? Yeah, 60 times 225 in the scaled version. Okay, we got this one. So is this 1 feet is 15? No, it can't be. It's gotta be 15 feet is 1 feet. So here I put in the actual building. Okay. It's actually like that. We're supposed to put it like that, but I believe the answer is the same here. Wait, no. Wait. Wait, no. Can't believe I almost fell for that. This has nothing to do with S or A, so obviously it won't be correct. Should be able to just divide this by 15 here, but that's not an answer choice. And then we have to take this and multiply it by 12. We also get not an answer choice. Alright, so what did we mess up here? Why are we getting these non-answer choices here? Floating as a pool. The dimensions of 60 feet by 2. 25, 60, 720. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 720 right here. Yeah, 720 it is. Football is kicked by a football player. What does that even give me? Okay, so the maximum height above the ground. Is 22.6. Running out of time here, guys. So 65 here. So just so we got triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So this is a right angle. AB is a 16. BC is a 63. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we need to find 16 squared plus 63 squared is equal to C squared. So C is equal to 65 here. A squared plus B squared equals C squared right there. So then we get the sine of 16 over wait. so I actually forgot how to do sine. So you just do the fraction here. So 2, 4, 6. Yeah. Right now we're kind of running out of time. Okay, this seems a little bit time consuming. Alright, so might be a little bit cooked here. Shouldn't have taken up so much time. So the mean would change, so it can't be A. And standard deviation, I'm gonna go with D for this one. Now we got 2 questions in 1 minute. That means we got 30 seconds for a question. What is all this? Get the graph of this. B and C. I'm just gonna have to guess, but if I was actually doing this, I'm just gonna go with the odd one out here. And anyway, if I was actually doing this, since I don't know what it is, I would probably do a regression here. I'll put in these points here, and I'll do a regression. Anyway, let's finish this exam here. Time taken, 13,351 minutes. How long is that? 222 hours. Dang, what's going on here? Okay, so I got those 2 right somehow by guessing. Complete guesses, but I got these 3 wrong. Now let's see if it got anything for me. This website was most definitely vibe coded, I must say. Seeing as the padding and whatnot. Let me just answer this. The Industrial Revolution. Okay. What? What? Alright. So we just cooked ourselves here. It's moreover instead of thus. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the stream today. It's gonna be it for today. See you in the next